Hello everyone, I'm Charlie. Today I will lead you to visit our factory. This way. Entering the logo, you can see the two domestic brand on the wall. And on my right is our domestic receive room, and our domestic customer will visit our machines display in this. And you can see this is our two orbital welding machine operating platform, and they show our orbital welding machine. And you can see this work. It will show our certificate and our company profile and the company cultures. And you can see there is the orbital welding machine display area. You can see our domestic customers to visit our open orbital welding machines. And you can see our open orbital welding machines have some different welding torch for welding the different range of the pipes. And this is our new product for the tube sheet welding robot. It's a new product and with AI calculations. And this one is also a new product of the high pressure oil pipes welding machines. It's special for the oil pipes to flag welding. And you can see this amazing so many welding torch. This welding torch is special for the semiconductors VCR joint pipe welding, and you can see the U-shaped welding, and the T-shaped welding is for the is special for the heat exchangers pipes welding, and this is closed welding torch is special for the food and the medical pipe welding. And behind me, there's some different size pipe cutting machines as can weld the small and the large pipes is to cutting the metal pipes. And going to there is our second and the third showroom. Our customers can take to visit our welding machines, and then you can see this. This is a simple welding effect, simple pipes. And come here, they have the processing tools for the pipe polish. This is the tube facing machine and the beading machines. And you can see this is our the latest products for the ultrasonic welding. It's special for the electric industry. And you can see this is our special welding. It's the tube sheet welding, and you can see this welding torch. It's the one of the first products in the world. We produce it, and this is our green welding machine. It's for the oil and the gas, for the pipe, the large pipe, and the two thick pipes welding. And you can see this is the great welding production line, and we have so many customers goods in products from this. Okay, it's our first floor display room and the production line. Thank you. Okay, welcome to our second floor to visit our the welding workshop. And you can see the huge log of the company. And this way is our rest room and the meeting room. Okay, please enter the workshop. And you can see they have quality data. And all of our production quality data will read here. Okay, you can see this way is our aging and simple instruction area. And every day we will spot check the one machine to make sure the functions and the exercise, to ensure there is not any problems. And you can see this is the finished machines. And you can see each month we have the products more than 500 machines. And go ahead. They have the automatic operating platform, and it's the ultrasonic operating platform. Okay, this way is the tube to sheet welding machines production line. You can see the power supply is product from this area. and you can see this is the shipping area. They have the closed orbital welding machine power supplies, and the open tab orbital welding machines power supply, and the gross welding power supply. And you can see this area is an amazing area. You can see this is the vibration testing area. You have a vibration testing machines, and it's to simulate the if there have a damage during the shipment, and we will ensure the machines have not any damage in the shipment. And you can see this is the precious measuring instrument, and it will help us to ensure the installation is not have any problem. So okay, it can be pressures in the micrometers. And you can see this area is the function testing area, and every our customers machines will have more than 30 tests from here, and we ensure the machines have not any problems before shipment. And you can see there is the welding torch production line, and they have the finish welding torch, the open tab, the closed tab. It's all of the welding torch installation from there. Okay, the second floor is our workshop. Welcome to visit our workshop. I will bring you to have a good visit. Thank you.